Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Unleashed Journey. I am Maria, and I am so happy you are here with me today. If you are new to this channel, I want to say a big welcome to you. We share a brand new English learning lesson every single day to help you speak with more heart. Today, we are going to do something truly amazing together. We are starting a full daily life speaking masterclass to help you find your flow. You and I will practice natural phrases that you can use from morning until night. This is not like a boring textbook because we are going to use shadowing. Shadowing means you will listen and then you will speak along with me. It is the best way to train your brain to think in English automatically. By the end of this video, you will feel so much more confident and ready. Before we jump into our practice, please make sure to subscribe to English Unleashed Journey. Don't forget to press that bell icon so you never miss a lesson with me. Now, I want you to take a deep breath and just relax for a moment. Imagine we are sitting together in a very calm and supportive space. We are going on a journey where English becomes easy and totally effortless for you. Think of this as a real conversation between two friends in your daily life. We are going to move slowly and find the natural rhythm of the language together. Let us begin our morning gently with some very familiar thoughts. Imagine you are just waking up and I am right there helping you start your day. Take another breath with me and repeat these words softly in your mind. When I wake up, the first thing I try to do is center myself. I take a slow breath and I tell myself that today is a fresh start. I will move through this day with calmness and with a lot of clarity. That simple habit helps my mind prepare for a whole day of English thinking. Now try repeating that beautiful idea out loud with me right now. Today is a brand new day for me. I will move through it with calmness and clarity. You can whisper it gently or say it clearly with your voice. This small moment of practice is exactly how your fluency will grow naturally. As you get out of bed, you might have a thought in English. I need a quiet moment to wake up my body and my mind. Let me get my thoughts together before I start my tasks. Repeat that with me now because it is a very useful phrase. I need a moment to wake up properly. Let me get my thoughts together. This phrase is great because it expresses exactly how you feel inside. You are not just saying you are tired like a student in a classroom. You are showing awareness and reflection just like a native speaker would. We want to develop English that reflects your real and beautiful personality. Now imagine you are walking into your kitchen to start your morning. Maybe you are making a warm cup of tea or a fresh coffee. In English, you might say that you want to ease into the day. Or you can say, I am trying to start my morning very slowly today. Both of these expressions are very natural and deeply human. Repeat them with me now and feel the softness in the words. Let me ease into the day. I am trying to start my morning slowly today. Notice the calm tone and the natural pacing of the sentence. Now I want you to shadow this next small conversation with me. Speak along with me very calmly and very slowly. I am feeling a little bit tired, but I know I will get there. Mornings can be slow sometimes, but I am doing my absolute best. I think I need a few more minutes to warm up my mind. These are not just lines from a book, but real emotional phrases. Native speakers use them when they want to express how their morning feels. When you shadow them, you are practicing the real rhythm of speech. You are learning the gentle pauses and the natural flow of English. Now imagine you are checking your phone or planning your busy day. You might say, "I am trying to get myself organized now." Or you can say, "Let me sort things out before I begin." Repeat these phrases with me and feel the control in your voice. I am trying to get organized. Let me sort things out before I start. These phrases show that you are in control of your mental process. That is what makes your English sound mature and very fluent. Let us build a longer and more natural practice together. I will speak first, and then I want you to shadow right after me. Right now, I am trying to set a good tone for my day. I do not want to rush into anything right now. I want to take things step by step and stay very focused. I want to stay consistent with my English practice every single day. Now, shadow that entire idea with your own unique voice. Feel how English becomes more natural when you speak in complete thoughts. Let us move into a real-life morning routine conversation. Imagine someone asks you how your morning is going so far. You can respond in advanced daily English just like this. It is going well, and I am taking my time this morning. I do not want to overwhelm myself with too much work. I just want to start slowly and build up my energy. Shadow that now and let your voice glide through the words. Not fast and not nervous, but just calm and very natural. Now let us practice another response for a busy morning. My morning has been a bit busy, but I am handling things. I am taking things one by one and staying very present. I am trying to stay patient with myself and with my tasks. Shadow it again with me right now. I am handling things one by one. I am trying to stay patient and stay present. This kind of clarity makes your English sound very thoughtful and fluent. Let us add another natural morning reflection for you. I woke up feeling a bit distracted today, but I am back. I am getting back on track and finding my focus. I just need a few minutes to realign myself properly. Shadow that with me now. I am getting back on track. I just need a few minutes to realign myself. These phrases are so beautiful because you can use them anytime. You can use them at work or at home with your friends. Now say this with me very slowly and with intention. I am trying to stay consistent with my English even when busy. Let us repeat that one more time together. I am trying to stay consistent with my English even when busy. This phrase is powerful because it shows your commitment and focus. Now imagine you are preparing to begin your main responsibilities. Maybe it is work or study or some household tasks. Here is a natural phrase to start your day with intention. I want to make steady and meaningful progress today. Nothing dramatic, just steady and very meaningful progress. Shadow that now with a confident voice. Steady and meaningful progress. This shows a calm confidence, which is a huge part of fluency. Let us move into a shadowing activity to warm up your thinking. Shadow each line after me in your own voice. I am ready to face the day ahead. I am doing my best to stay focused on my goals. I want to move through the day with confidence. I am taking things at my own comfortable pace. I am learning to trust my own process. These lines are simple, but they are very strong. They help build your fluency while expressing real human emotion. Native speakers use these sentences all the time in their lives. Now, imagine you are preparing to leave your home. You might say, I think I am good to go now. I have a plan, and I am going to take it step by step. Shadow it now and feel the steady rhythm of the words. Let us add one more natural phrase for you. I am not rushing today, and I am moving naturally. Shadow it gently and let it sink in. This phrase shows emotional intelligence and self-awareness. As we move deeper into this class, notice something important. Every sentence is designed to help you speak automatically. This is only the beginning of our journey today. Together, we will build your fluency from morning until night. Imagine you are now getting ready to interact with the world. Maybe you are going to school or heading to your job. This is where daily English becomes extremely useful for you. Real fluency is about expressing your thoughts clearly and naturally. It is not about complicated words, but about confidence. So let us practice phrases for when you step into your day. Imagine you are leaving your home and you say this softly. All right, I think I am good to go. Shadow that now with me. I think I am good to go. You can even say, I have been a little distracted, but I am trying to refocus my mind right now. Shadow it now and feel the redirection. I am trying to refocus. Each of these lines reflects real communication. They are honest and they are very human. Let us move into a deeper shadowing exercise. Repeat after me gently and with feeling. I am paying attention to my mindset today. I am trying to stay calm even when it is stressful. I am trying to move with intention and not pressure. Shadow this entire practice and feel the rhythm. Now imagine you need a second to think first. You can say, give me a second to process this. Shadow it now and feel the pause. I am trying to process this. Or you can say, let me think about that for a bit. Shadow it gently and sound very thoughtful. Let me think about that. These are extremely natural phrases for any interaction. They help you sound thoughtful instead of rushed. Imagine there is a small problem you need to fix. You can say, I am trying to figure this out. Shadow it and feel the problem-solving energy. I am trying to figure this out. Or you can say, I am working on it right now. Shadow it slowly and be patient. Just give me a minute. These expressions communicate calmness and control. Even when things are not perfect, you are steady. Let us practice a more advanced reflection together. I am learning to handle things without stressing out. I am learning to stay steady even when busy. I am learning to let go of things that do not matter. Shadow it softly and feel the maturity. Imagine you are interacting with someone right now. They ask about your progress on a project. You can say, I am moving at a very good pace. Shadow it now and feel the rhythm. A good pace. Or you can say, I am still working through tasks, but I am feeling very confident about it. Shadow it and feel the confidence. I am feeling confident. You are doing so well with your practice today. I am so proud of your dedication and your growth. Thank you for being here at English Unleashed Journey. I appreciate you and your consistency more than you know. Keep practicing, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a beautiful and very peaceful day.